Are you looking for the best face roller massagers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best face roller massagers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, the MoValues Face Rolling Massager. Roll your way to beauty using MoValues 4-in-1 Face Rolling Massager with a proven track record of success. Use it to make heads turn to your glowing and youthful skin, naturally. Make it help your serums, oils, and other skin products penetrate the skin better for optimum benefit. The food news is that the face roller doesn't intrude on your busy schedule because you only need to use it 2 to 3 times a week. The roller comes with 4 tools for soothing, brightening, massaging, and healing. The 4 tools include a rose quartz roller, tension gua sha, ridged roller, and mini eye roller, all that have different positive effects. While in use, you won't get bothered by squeaks as with other cheap rollers. This is a unique one featuring non-squeak hardware that also lasts long for millions of rolls. At number 4, Roselynboutique Body Massager. This face massager comes with a roller that massages your face, eyes, body, and neck, and it tightens, cools, and relaxes the tissues. It comes with a handcraft authentic jade construction, which has a very soft touch, and it is long-lasting for extended usage. This roller can be effectively used with your facial creams to improve their absorption into the skin. Waking up with a swollen face shouldn't be a nightmare with this tool because it releases the tension in the stressed muscles and gets rid of the swells. The roller improves the production of collagen in your facial skin to keep it glowing throughout the day. It also reduces the rate at which your facial cells are dying, keeping them looking young for longer. At number 3, Sdara Skincare Face Massager. The Sdara face roller has been the on-press features multiple times as the go-to massager to remove wrinkles, pores and bring out a vibrant, youthful face within a short period. The 1/4 mm needles on the roller are painless to use when used gently to maximize the benefits. Combining this tool with efficient creams will keep your face glowing all the time. The small needles on the roller are made of titanium to prolong their durability even on regular use. Estheticians highly recommend that you use this tool daily together with your facial creams to release the stress on your facial tissues, keep the muscles hydrated, and to maintain healthy blood circulation. At number 2, VIJUVE Face Massager. This is the best face massager to use with your preferred face cream and lotion, enabling the hydration of your facial skin while reducing wrinkles, scars, and dark circles. The massage tightens your skin, makes it firm within a short period. This tool relieves all tensed muscles and gets rid of the pain and fatigue in the tissues. Its 9,000 vibrations per minute vibration will rebuild collagen on your skin and fasten the pores, aiding the circulation of blood in your face. The massager comes with a sensor that automatically powers it on when it detects the touch of skin on it, making it simple to use. It uses removable batteries that work for 2 to 3 weeks continuously without recharging. At number 1, Yeamon Face Massager. This face massage selection comes with a 2-in-1 offer that is a 3-dimensional face roller and a T-shaped electric bar. These 2 assets will leave your skin feeling young and fresh. The V-shape on the 3-dimensional roller enables it to reach every part of your body with minimal strain. The T-shaped bar produces 6,000 vibrations per minute to tighten your skin. Skin therapists recommend that you use this kit daily to get rid of any wrinkles, lines, and dark circles and keep your skin glowing and healthy. The massage improves blood circulation in your facial tissues and hydrates your muscles, causing your face to look young and lifted. Both the roller and the electric bar are waterproof, meaning you can use them in the shower. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.